The power and effects of the Middle of Saint Benedict. To destroy witchcraft and all other diabolical influences, to keep away the spells of magicians, of weak and evil-minded persons, to impart protection to persons tempted, deluded or tormented by evil spirits, to obtain the conversion of sinners, especially when they are in danger of death, to serve as an armor in temptation against holy purity, to destroy the effects of poison, to secure a timely and healthy birth of children, to afford protection against storms and lightning, to serve as an efficacious remedy for bodily afflictions and a means of protections against contagious diseases. Maikling kasaysayan ni San Benito. Si San Benito ay pinagpala ng Diyos ng kanyang mga grasya at gayon din ang kanyang pangalan ay isang patriarka sa kanlurang monastery at tagapagtatag ng isang orden na nagtataglay ng kanyang pangalan. Siya ay sinilang sa Narcia, Italy noong 480 AD at namatay noong 547 AD. Kung papaano dinakila